All right, guys, thank you for watching the video today. Please hit that like, subscribe if you haven't done it. It helps make these videos. We've got the Reese M5 behind me. It has the GM OEM puck system because we had the GMC Denali, which we've gotten rid of the GMC Denali, so now we're in Ford, so I need to get these switched out. The good part about this hitch is it comes in 3 different pieces when you order it. So when you see the hitch is a total, that's the price for total for all 3 pieces, right? Your legs are gonna come individually, and these side legs here are for whatever vehicle you buy. The rest of the hitch is standard. So this box is standard, whether you get GM, Ford, or Ram, right? It's the same piece here, and it's the same head piece right here. So all we've gotta do is change these legs out, and then it's good for Ford. So we're gonna get this box up here opened up, we'll show you what's in it, and then let's get this done. If you look, this is part number 30923 for the Ford OEM puck system. It says Ford M5 leg here, and it also says on this box, the head and the centerpiece are required. So in this box right here, all we have is the leg kit. Sorry, trying to do this by holding the phone. So we have the 2 Ford leg pieces here. And then we have a new bolt kit right here. It's got the bolts for inside the hitch. So let me get these unsnapped, and then we'll get this other hitch tore apart. Okay, so I've got the 4 bolts out. I've got the main piece loose. And then I went ahead and pulled the plastic caps out. Leave these castle nuts loose. You want some slack in this. And then I like to have these in the truck so I can fit the center section in and then get the bolt started. And I know my height's gonna be the center. And so you know, each one of these holes on this adjustment is 2 inches. Now on the tongue of your trailer is 1 inch. So you have adjustability of 1 inch on your trailer and 2 inches here. I'm gonna go to the center hole here. And if I needed to fine tune, I'll do the 1 inch adjustment on the tongue. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this up there, and we'll go from there. Okay, once you get your hitch in, you get your bolts torqued down, all that's good. I always leave these loose, but then once you get that finished, what I do is I'll run it in like this and take the snap ring out. I don't want any of that slack whenever I'm pulling. So I basically snug this nut up right here. And then it's a little too tight. Back it off just a little bit. I'm gonna open it. And then let's put this pin in. Sorry. And what we're looking for is a nice snug close. So I'm gonna go one more on it. I think one more is gonna be too many. Yeah, that was too much. So we're gonna back off a hole. Okay. We'll pin this one. That's where that one's gonna latch pretty snugly. Same thing here. Let's see. Really loose. Keep going. Okay, that's getting better. I back off one. Let's try that out. Okay, that closes pretty good. See if I can get one more on it. I think that's gonna be too tight. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to stay about right there. Okay. We got that done. Close that off. We'll pin that. We're done with this side. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. That feels pretty tight right there. I'm actually good with that. And then, because that one's way loose. So let's snug it up a little bit. Pretty good right there. Pin it. All right. So now we have all that in, and the base is tight. All we've got to do is put the top head on. So you just make sure it's unpinned on the bottom, which I'm gonna pick this up. You've got 2 pins that go in down here, but I've got to use both hands for this, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that's your completed project. Reese M5 20K Ford OEM system. If you're in need of some GM, that's about 1/3 of the cost of the Hitch. So give me a holler, shoot a comment below if you're interested in those GM ones. And I'll be in contact with you. I will ship those if you need them. So that wraps up for the video today. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them below. Please hit that like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.